In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF in Miro. By the end, you'll have your document on a Miro board ready to review, present, and collaborate with your team. First, head to Miro.com in your browser. That takes you to your dashboard where you can see your recent boards and workspaces. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your projects. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want the PDF to live, especially if you're collaborating with others. Next, choose Create New. This is how you start something from scratch. We're going to add the PDF to a fresh canvas so it's easy to arrange and annotate without distractions. Now, click Board. Miro will open a blank infinite canvas. It's a good idea to give the board a clear name at the top so you can find it later, especially if you work with multiple teams or projects. With your board open, look for the plus icon. This opens Miro's content menu where you can bring in files, media, and other elements. If you don't immediately spot it, it's typically on the toolbar along the side of the screen. This menu is your main gateway for bringing outside content onto the canvas. Choose Upload. Upload is the option that imports files directly into the board, and it works with a variety of formats, including PDFs. This keeps everything centralized so you and your collaborators don't have to switch between apps during a session. Select on My Device. This opens your computer's file picker so you can browse to the document you want. If your PDF is large or has many pages, give Miro a moment to process it after you select it. Now pick your PDF file and click Open. Miro will import the document onto your board. Depending on the PDF, you may see individual pages placed on the canvas or a single object representing the file. You can click and drag to reposition it, use the corner handles to resize it, and zoom in to review the details. If the document contains multiple pages, arrange them in a row or grid for a clean, presentation-ready flow. Frames can help you group pages for better navigation, and comments or sticky notes are great for feedback without altering the original content. That's it. You've added a PDF to Miro and set it up for collaboration. Save your board, share it with your team, and you're ready to work. Thanks for watching and happy whiteboarding.